This video introduces you to the pedagogical use of Twitter. In this video, Finnish web teacher Anu Sköldnurmi from WinNova tells you about her experiences of the pedagogical use of Twitter. Anu is working at the Finnish web school with approximately 6,000 web students and a staff of approximately 550 persons. Her students are social and healthcare students who study to become a practical nurse. Anu has used Twitter with a group of practical nurse students. Twitter is what's happening in the world and what people are talking about right now. Twitter is used by everyone, but it's more concentrated on news and other factual information than, for example, Facebook or Snapchat. Twitter users are also older than, for example, the users of Snapchat. Twitter is based on tweets, which are maximum 140 characters long messages. Besides tweets of your own, you can also join the conversation by retweeting, liking, sharing, or replying to tweets on your timeline. Hashtags are used in tweets because on Twitter it's possible to search for interesting topics using hashtags.
Students can search for articles and news on the subject studying and summarize the core issues to 140 characters. It helps students to perceive the core of the matter. It is also interesting to look at different points of view and try to summarize them in a few sentences. I created a Twitter account for students where they have made tweets on previously given topics and linked them with articles and news. Students have had topics such as pain and sleep. They have been looking for information on how to treat sleeping problems for patients. In addition, they have sought information on various types of drug-free pain relief methods. They have combined this information with textbooks theory and combined them into tweets. Students learn to search for information independently and to evaluate its accuracy critically. Students should also be sure of the quality of the source of information. Students try to find the main content of the issue and summarize them in a few words. This helps students to find and take relevant information about the subject studying. Twitter, students learn to see the core of the subject to be studied. They learn to evaluate information critically and combine theoretical and practical knowledge.